Hey, my name is Brian. I'm a medical assistant for Dr. Karimi. When I was in high school, I had a few different injuries to my nose. His head went right into my nose, completely smashed my septum. So now, can't even breathe out of that nostril. I have crazy nostril collapse, living with it for almost the last 15 years. Sporting activities like jiu-jitsu, and I have a mouthpiece in. It actually takes a toll on me. It's not the best to breathe through your mouth as an athlete. It hinders performance, and during the workout itself, start breathing out of the nose. Feels great, but then as the heart rate increases, the demand for oxygen increases. I have to open up my mouth and start breathing through there, which I become a lot more fatigued. That severely affects my performance to be able to continue practicing my techniques or even excel in a sport like jiu-jitsu. I learned it's not something that I actually have to live with anymore. It's a 1 hour procedure that's going to change my life forever, and I'm so excited to make this change.
All right, Brian, here's your scan. So this is you facing us. We can see your septum really curves off to the left. Creates this negative pressure vacuum. That's why your nostril collapses on the right. So we're going to put some cartilage to support that. So we're going to shape this cartilage to fit right in here so your nostril doesn't collapse. And you can really see how crooked your septum is. There it is. See how curved it is? You have this big bone spur back here. So we're going to go in there, get that little piece out. That, my friend, was blocking your breathing. This is your bone spur. Tomahawk. Literally looks like a tomahawk.
Wow.
Shrink these massive turbinates, and you're going to have a really nice open airway. The airway here is about 1 millimeter. It's like breathing through a straw, smaller than a straw actually. This turbinate has basically been non-functional. All right, Brian, so we're all done. Everything went great. You've got a nice straight septum. We've got that big shark tooth out there, that big tomahawk chop, but looks great. You're going to be breathing like a champion, and look forward to your speedy recovery.
Surgery was amazing. Really easy experience. I'm 1 day post-op right now. I experienced zero pain yesterday. I ate 3 meals and I slept like a baby. I was shocked I didn't take any medication. Today I feel great as well. Zero pain at all.
Breathing already improved since before surgery. A little bit of swelling yesterday. It's gone down today.
I'm pretty shocked on how easy and smooth the whole procedure went. It's been about 2.5 weeks since surgery. Pretty much already forgot that I even had a procedure. It was one of the easiest recoveries. I did not expect it to be that easy. Pretty mad at myself for not having this procedure done a lot longer ago. With sports, I already noticed a significant difference. It's a high contact sport, but I was working on technique. I've been doing running and other activities, and breathing out of my nose was a game changer. Already feel much better not having to constantly drink water throughout that whole time, and I'm very excited for being able to go back into jiu-jitsu and use my nose again.